This is Dixit AI, a web-based version of the original Dixit card game where groups of human players can play with an AI agent. The rules are based on those of the original game. Each player is given 6 cards. Players hold one of 2 roles throughout the game: the storyteller or the guesser, the role of storyteller switching after each round. Let's start with the storyteller. In each round, the storyteller will choose 1 card to label from the hand of 6 cards. We perform this operation with the AI agents by using a pipeline, including the image annotation tool Clarify and the NLP functions of the Spacie library. The goal is to choose the card that will generate the least obvious guess, but is still capable of being chosen by at least 1 player. This is done by generating clues for all the cards in the storyteller's hand and generating a similarity metric for that clue and the annotations of the card. Next, the agent will provide a 1-word description of the card or clue. This is done by generating synonyms of the annotations and using knowledge graph relationships as provided by ConceptNet. A word is chosen at random from the top yielding similarity metrics to the card annotations. This clue may or may not be the same one generated during the card selection process. Guessers will then choose a card from their deck they think most closely matches the clue. The agent does this by calculating the similarity score between the annotations for the card and the storyteller's clue. The card whose annotations yield the highest similarity score with the clue is chosen. This card is referred to as a decoy card. After all players have chosen and submitted their decoy cards, players must then select the card they think is the storyteller's card from a set of cards that include decoy cards submitted by other players and the storyteller's card. The agent performs this task by calculating the similarity score between the annotations for each of the cards and the storyteller's clue, excluding the player's own card, and then randomly selecting one of the cards from the top 3 highest similarity score yielding cards. Each player or agent that guessed correctly will collect points based on if they were the only one to guess correctly, and extra points if other players guessed their card instead of the storyteller's. The storyteller gains points based on if at least one or none of the players guessed the card correctly. This is our implementation of Dixit with an AI agent.